Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G62 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. Here let's tap on add a language, and we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one maybe. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So let's change the position, let's reorder the languages, as on the very first place is always the one which is set. So let's tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So it actually took just a second. Let me show it to you again. Tap on the English, hold it and drag it to the first position. And the same situation, we've got the English applied. Of course, if you want, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on remove, mark the one you would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove again. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your MOTOROLA Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.